The mystery bag activities encourage your child to identify objects with their haptic sense as they manipulate objects with their hands without looking. It's best to present the mystery bag to your little one on the floor where you have room to move and spread out. The second in the mystery bag series, the objects in this bag are unrelated to each other, which further challenges your child to rely on their sense of touch as they work to identify each object. This is the mystery bag. This is how you open the mystery bag. Pause and allow your little one to notice the changes that you've made. This is how you close the mystery bag. Use slow, purposeful movements with both hands as you model pulling on both strings to close the mystery bag. Now offer the names of the objects to your little one. This is a red ball. This is a bolt. This is a spoon. This is a doily. This is a wooden ring. Use the same hand motions to open the mystery bag again. Let's play a game. Can you place the bolt into the mystery bag? Can you place the red ball into the mystery bag? Repeat until all of the items are in the bag. Invite your little one to close the bag. Watch. I'm going to guess which objects are inside the mystery bag without looking. Close your eyes deliberately and reach into the bag. Take your time to model how to find the bag opening and move both hands around inside the bag. Let's see. I think I feel the bolt. Remove the bolt and exclaim, "It is! It's the bolt!" Place the bolt next to the mystery bag. Let's see. Now, I think I feel the doily. Remove the doily and say, "It is! I found the doily!" Now it's time to offer your little one a turn with the game. When they close their eyes and reach into the bag, you can ask, "What do you feel?" Pause and see what they come up with. It may be a name of an object, or it might be a description. I feel something soft. You can even offer them a prompt, like, "Could that be the red ball or the doily?" Finding the right words while using this new sense is sometimes hard for their brains to process, and with prompting and practice, they'll master it in no time. On another day, you can play the game a different way. This time, let's try something new. Ask your little one, "Which object should I find?" Reach in and find the object they have named. Now repeat this with your little one. Can you find the spoon?
Can you find the spoon?
Yeah.
Where's that spoon? What does it feel like?
I found
You found the spoon!
Feel free to play this game as often as you'd like. Repetition in each sitting builds vocabulary and stamina. You can even add new objects to the bag from your own home, mixing unrelated items with different materials and textures. Doing so will pique their interest once again and engage them in a new challenge.